In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of OPPO K13 5G. If your budget is under 20,000, it's the best phone you can buy. The box of OPPO K13 5G looks like this. On the sides, you can see the important features of this smartphone. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, and this phone has a big battery, 7000 mAh. The back of the box looks like this, and the variant which I bought is 8GB, 128GB. There is a 256GB variant also, and the color which I have ordered is icy purple. Prism black color is also available. The price mentioned on the box is 22,999, but you can get this phone below 17,000. If you club with any bank offers, you can get little bit cheaper. The box looks like this. So without wasting any time, let's open the cover. Let's open the seal. Remove the seal. Now let's open the phone from the box. On opening, you will find a box. Inside you will get a case and a guide. Here is a case. You can see OPPO branding. The case color is also purple, designed by OPPO. And here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. And inside you will get a adapter, 80 watts adapter. The 80 watts adapter looks like this. Here you can see 80 watts mentioned, 80 watts superbook. And here is a female type A port. And here is a type A to type C cable. The build quality of the cable is pretty good. And you will get a SIM ejector tool inside the box. That's it. Here is the phone. Here is a purple color. This is how the phone looks. Here you can see the OPPO branding and dual camera setup, flash. The back of the phone looks like this. From the first impressions, I can feel that this phone is heavy because it has a 7000 mAh battery. So without wasting any time, let's turn on the phone. Let's press and hold the power button to turn on the phone. Here you can see OPPO powered by Android. OPPO phones run on ColorOS on top of Android. Here you can see the welcome screen. Click on next and select the language. Click on next and select the country or region. Click on next. Only select auto update overnight and disable all the other options and click on agree. It will ask you to install the popular apps. If you want, you can click on install all, otherwise you can simply click on skip. I would go with button navigation. Click on done, and here you can see the ColorOS. Click on get started. This is how the user interface of ColorOS on OPPO K13 5G looks. There is an app drawer and there are apps on the home screen. If you want the notification and quick settings, you can use split or you can use classic. I am going with split. Click on OK. Here is the quick settings and here are the notifications. Now let's open the app drawer. Once you open the app drawer, you will find a lot of games and apps pre-installed. If you don't want these apps, simply uninstall them. Now let's open settings and check the version of Android. Open settings, scroll all the way down and click on about device. Under about device, here you can see version. Here you can see the Android version. It's 15. Let's go back. Now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. This phone has a big display, 6.67 inch 120 Hz AMOLED display. On the front, you can see the 16 megapixel Sony camera. The top of the phone looks like this. On the right side, you have the volume rockers up and down and the power button. On the bottom, you have the speaker grill, Type-C port and SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. Here is a SIM tray. You can use two SIM cards, SIM 1, SIM 2. On the left side, it's plain. Coming to the back, on the back, you have the dual camera setup. Now let's open the camera and let's take a sample photos. These are the photos which I have taken under artificial lighting. Now let's check the rear camera. You can notice over here that the quality of the photos taken on the rear camera is pretty good. Using OPPO K13 5G, you can take 4K 30 FPS videos. Now you can see that I have switched to the front facing camera. Using the front facing camera, you can record only full HD videos. The clarity on the front facing camera is also pretty good. Now let's see how the default case which I got with the phone looks. Here is the phone. The case looks like this. It looks pretty good on the top, on the sides, on the bottom. You need to open this to charge your phone. It has razor lips on the four edges, if you can see properly. So that's it guys. It is a short unboxing video of OPPO K13 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.